In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with the Spotify. Whenever you are trying to play something, it says you can't play this right now. The error that is happening for many users, and if you're having this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is you have to try opening your Spotify. Then you have to click on the profile at the top. Now from here, you need to navigate to the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll it down all the way down, and from here you'll be able to find the storage option here. Under this, there is something called cache. So temporary files that Spotify stored for a faster experience in slow network, you have to click on the clear cache and just go for the clear cache. After the clearing the cache, you have to close it. Then you just need to go back, then try searching for the Spotify, and you have to try clicking on this back, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. For some reasons, for some people, this even worked, so you can try this out. But for some reasons, if that is not working, then what you need to do is we have to go over here, and this is where we used to play the songs. So we make sure that this particular shuffle is being completely turned off. That is one of the thing. If it is turned on, try turning off the shuffle here. After that, you have to check with the Spotify, you have to close it, and still if there is an issue, then what you need to do is we have to go over here, type here for Spotify. Then what happens is the Spotify will be rolling up, and you have to right click and just go for uninstall from here. After uninstalling the Spotify, we have to go over here, go for the search and try here for the Microsoft Store, and you have to click on this. Now from the Microsoft Store, what you need to do is we have to go over here and we need to type here and search here for Spotify. We have to search here like this. And from here, try downloading the Microsoft version of Spotify, which is much stable and better version. Try downloading this, and most probably afterwards, if you try downloading this afterwards, you'll not be having any kind of trouble. And just make sure this will be working in most cases, and you'll not be having any kind of trouble with the Spotify. Can't play this right now, will not be there. And this is what we have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.